Hello friends, welcome to 1 Minute GK. In this video, I bring the part 1 of third chapter of 9 Geography, that is drainage. So before going to start, I would like to thank all the subscribers for their support. Please friends, keep supporting this channel. Third chapter, drainage. The topics in the chapter: introduction of drainage, drainage systems in India, drainage patterns, the Himalayan rivers, the Peninsular rivers, lakes, role of rivers in the economy, and river pollution. In this part first, I am going to cover the first 4 topics, that is drainage, its systems, its patterns, and the Himalayan rivers. So, introduction. The drainage describes river system of the particular area. The area drained by a single river system is called as a drainage basin. Any upland or a mountain separating the two adjoining drainage basins is known as water divide. So in the adjacent figure, you can see that there are two water basins, river basins. One is stream A, second is stream B, and the highland between those stream A and stream B is acting as a water divide. For example, the water divide between Narmada and Tapi is nothing but Satpura mountain, because it divides both river basins. The drainage systems in India. The Indian rivers are divided into two major groups, the Himalayan river system and the peninsular rivers. Instead of going point by point, I have uploaded the image of difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. So let's see. Himalayan rivers are perennial in nature, means they carry water for all the 12 months in the year, whereas the peninsular rivers are seasonal. They dry up in summers and they are dependent upon the rainfall. Second point, these rivers, means the Himalayan rivers, cause much erosion and have great flow of water, whereas the peninsular rivers create much less erosion and also have weaker flow of water, because they are carrying water for only 4 to 8 months. Third point, the Himalayan rivers are meandering, means they take turns and form the landforms. The peninsular rivers are straight. Fourth point, the Himalayan rivers originate in the Himalayas, whereas the peninsular rivers originate in the small hills and plateaus. Fifth point, the Himalayan rivers irrigate the northern plains, whereas the peninsular rivers irrigate the Deccan plateau. Sixth point, the basins of Himalayan rivers are very fertile. In the last lecture, we saw that the alluvium deposits due to the Himalayan rivers. Those alluvium contains silt and clay, which is very fertile. Sixth point in peninsular rivers is that peninsular river basins are not so very fertile. Seventh point, the Himalayan rivers cover a very long distance because they are big rivers and long as well, whereas the peninsular rivers cover a shorter distance as compared to Himalayan rivers. Last point, the examples of Himalayan rivers are Ganga, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra, whereas the example of peninsular rivers are Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. So let's see the drainage patterns. The streams within a drainage basin form certain patterns that depends upon the slope of the land, underlying rock structure, as well as the climatic conditions of that particular area. So there are 4 kinds of drainage patterns you can see in the adjacent figure or the image. First is dendritic system or dendritic pattern. Second one is rectangular. Third one is radial, having the mountain in the center, and last one is the trellis. So before going to see Himalayan rivers, I would like to present you this map, because someone has said इश्क करने का मज़ा है इश्क के इज़हार में. So I would like to add geography पढ़ने का मज़ा है मैप के साथ में. So look carefully into the map near Jammu and Kashmir. At the west of Jammu and Kashmir, you will see the 5 to 6 rivers. That area or that river system is known as Indus River System. In the Indus Water Treaty of 1960 between the two friendly countries, yes, you can get it, between India and Pakistan, those time it was brokered by World Bank, the father of all banks, the mother of all banks, chacha chachi of all banks. Yes, the 3 top rivers in the north, you can memorize them as CJI, means Chenab, Jhelum, and Indus, from south to north. were given to Pakistan, whereas the three southern rivers from north to south, you can memorize them as RBS, Ravi, Bias and Satluj, were given to India. India can only use 20% of the Indus basin, means water in the Indus river system, whereas 80% of water is used by Pakistan, the very good friend of India. Come to the east, you can see near Tibet there is written Sangpo R. The Sangpo is the name of Brahmaputra. You can see in the northeastern state there is a big river called as Brahmaputra, and it is flowing into the Bangladesh and to the Bay of Bengal. In the northern plains you can see the Ganga river system. There are many tributaries of Ganga like Yamuna, Ken, Betwa, Son, Ghagra, Kosi, Gandak, etc. Come to the plateau. You can see in the north of the peninsula there are two rivers. Those are parallel, Narmada and Tapi. Those are western flowing rivers. They flow through the rift valleys. And further south there are Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Tungabhadra. Those are flowing in the eastern direction and they end up at the Bay of Bengal. So let's start the Himalayan rivers. The Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the major Himalayan rivers. A river along with its tributaries may be called as a river system. So first, the Indus river system. This Indus is also known as Sindhu. Let us see the source of Indus river system. The river Indus rises in Tibet, which is a part of China. It is near Lake Mansarowar. We all know Kailash Mansarowar, very holy place for Hindus. It enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir and it flows west towards Pakistan. The tributaries of Indus, Jaskar, Nubra, Shok and Hunza are the tributaries of Indus in the Kashmir region, whereas Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and the Jhelum join together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. The Indus plain has a very gentle slope, hence the flow of water will be very slow. The total length of Indus river system is 2900 kilometers. One third of the Indus basin, means 33%, is located in India in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and the Punjab, whereas the rest of the basin is located in Pakistan. The second Himalayan river system is the Ganga river system. We called it as a Ganga Maiya. There are many songs on Ganga Maiya like Ram Teri Ganga Meli, or the famous song of Amitabh Bachchan is that Khai ke Paan Banaras Wala, Chora Ganga Kinare Wala, like that. The headwaters of Ganga, called as Bhagirathi, is fed by the Gangotri glacier. Means the originating point of Ganga river is assumed to be the Gangotri glacier. And very easy. For Yamuna, it is Yamunotri glacier. The tributaries of Ganga. Alaknanda join at Devprayag in Uttarakhand. In the Uttarakhand state, the Bhagirathi is joined by Alaknanda and together the flow is called as Ganga at Devprayag. So Alaknanda, which rises in the Badrinath. There is a movie in South Indian movie of Allu Arjun and Tamanna Bhatia, and its name is Sangharsh Aur Vijay. Yes, Sangharsh Aur Vijay. In that, the Allu Arjun has the name of Badrinath, whereas the actress of that movie, Tamanna Bhatia, has the name of Alaknanda. So you can see that movie in the geographic perspective rather than just looking at the Romans. The Yamuna rises in the Yamunotri glacier in the Himalayas and joins at Allahabad. Sorry, not Allahabad, it's Prayagraj now. This government is changing the names, लेकिन वो बाजू का गटर अभी वैसे के वैसा है. The Ghagra, the Gandak and the Kosi rise in the Nepal Himalayas. We saw the division of Himalayas. This Nepal Himalaya is the west to east division of Himalaya. The Chammal, Betwa and the Son rises from semi-arid areas, means the areas of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The river bifurcates at Farakka in the West Bengal, means it bifurcates into the distributaries at Farakka. The Bhagirathi Hooghly, a distributary of the two, flows southwards towards the deltaic plains of Bay of Bengal, to the Bay of Bengal. The main stream flows southward into the Bangladesh and is joined by the Brahmaputra. So two mighty rivers are joined in the Bangladesh making the, and at the end they make the world's largest delta known as Sundarban Delta. The total length of Ganga river system is 2500 kilometers, means less than Indus river system. Sundarban Delta. The delta formed by the rivers, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, is known as Sundarban Delta. We can see our national animal, that is Royal Bengal tiger, over there, and also the state animal of West Bengal state in India is the hunting cat. Okay. The last Himalayan river system is Brahmaputra River System. Look at the source of Brahmaputra River System. The Brahmaputra rises in Tibet east of Mansarowar Lake, whereas the Indus was originating at the west of Mansarowar Lake, and it is very close to the sources of Indus and Satiuj. The tributaries of Brahmaputra, Dibang, the Lohit and many other rivers are the tributaries of Brahmaputra. It flows eastward parallel to the Himalayas, and it takes a U-turn on reaching the Namcha Barwa, which is a peak in eastern Himalayas or Purvanchal, which is a height of 7757 meters, and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh through a gorge. Here it is called the Dihang, and it is joined by the Dibang. So Dihang and Dibang get joined, and the Lohit and many other tributaries. In Tibet, the river carries a smaller volume of water because the Tibet is like cold desert and less silt as it is cold and dry area. In India, it passes through a region of high rainfall, mainly the northeastern India, and the river carries a long volume of water and considerable amount of silt. It forms many riverine islands, means the island inside a river. Every year during the rainy season, the river overflows the banks, causing widespread devastation due to floods in Assam and the Bangladesh. This river is also known as the Sorrow of Assam. The Majuli. Majuli is the world's largest riverine island formed by the Brahmaputra that we have discussed in the recent video. So guys, thank you so much. Do like, share and subscribe for more. If you have any suggestion, please never forget to drop it in the comment box. And friends, this is a very new channel, and the support you are giving, it is very incredible. Please keep that support. This channel doesn't provide any fake news or any kind of disturbing videos. There is no Man Ki Baat, but this channel is made only for Gyan Ki Baat. Thank you.